Hello everyone, in this part 12 of indefinite integrals, I'll let you know how will we do the integration using partial fraction if in denominator we have some repeating linear factors. So there will be only some linear repeating factors, or there will be a linear factor with multiplication of another linear factor in which we will have the par. So let's start with the solution. Look at this thing. In first question, we have to find out the integration of this, and in denominator we have only the repeating factor. It means we have x plus 2 whole raised to power 2. Now, to make it simplify, what is the procedure we have to use? 3x minus 1, x plus 2 whole square. We are having x plus 2 whole square. We will start with the x plus 2, then x plus 2 whole square, and for each part we have to consider a constant with the separation of addition sign. How it is? Look at this thing, a upon x plus 2 plus b upon x plus 2 whole square. सपोज करिए यहाँ क्यूब होता तो हम कहां तक जाते? प्लस सी अपॉन एक्स प्लस 2 होल क्यूब. इट मीन्स हमें चलना 1 से ही है. पहले आपको ए लेना है, नेक्स्ट के लिए बी लीजिएगा, नेक्स्ट के लिए सी लीजिएगा इफ इट इज क्यूब. सो लाइक दैट वी हैव टू रिपीट. नाउ टेक द एलसीएम 3x minus 1 a into x plus 2 plus b. Now always remember this thing, one coefficient we will get, one constant we will get by putting x plus 2 0 only. So if x plus 2 is equals to 0, it means x is equals to minus 2. It means what this become minus x minus 1 a into minus 2 plus 2 0 plus b. It means b is equals to minus 7. It means one constant we will get like that. Now for second constant we have to use the equating process. Now look at this thing. Equating process means if we will compare the coefficient of x, compare coefficient of x. अब देखिए अगर हम x के कोफिशिएंट को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कंपेयर करें तो व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x? 3. And right hand side, what is the coefficient of x? A only. It means a is equals to 3. Therefore we can say from equation 1 we will get I is equals to, what is this? Integration of a is already there, 3 upon x plus 2 plus, what is this? Because b is minus 7 upon x plus 2 whole square, and this is dx. It means I is equals to integration of, what is this? 3 upon x plus 2 and minus 7 x minus x plus 2 whole raised to power minus 2 dx. Now once we will do the integration, what is this? 3 log x plus 2, and this is minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1. So this become plus 7 upon x plus 2, and this is plus c, and this is the answer for the integration. So whenever we have this repeating factors, always remember this thing, one constant we will get by putting this linear factor is equals to 0, and to get the other constant we have to use the equating process. Now this equating process, suppose we were comparing coefficient of x. Anybody is saying, I want to say, this is explanation, I want to compare the coefficient of constant only. So for coefficient, suppose coefficient of, हमें कांस्टेंट की कंपेयर करने हैं, कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ कांस्टेंट. तो देखिए कांस्टेंट राइट हैंड साइड में कितना कांस्टेंट है? -1. अब आप इधर आइए, इसमें कांस्टेंट क्या है? 2a. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? प्लस b. वैल्यूज वी हैव टू पुट द वैल्यूज. व्हाट इज b? -7. इट मींस दिस बिकम 6 is equals to 2a. It means a is equals to 3. Is it clear or not? Now coefficient a is 3, a is also 3. We have to choose the simplest way to find the value. You can take it by any part, either compare the coefficient of x or compare the coefficients of constant. अब हम coefficients of constant लिख रहे हैं, अगर आप सीधा लिख देंगे constant term, that is also okay. आपने compare किसको किया है? constant term को. That is also the nice word for this, because अगर हम constant coefficient of constant कंपेयर कर रहे हैं तो वो ऑलरेडी कांस्टेंट टर्म ही आएगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ बी पार्ट. इन दिस बी पार्ट वी हैव द repeating factor of x minus 2, and we have only linear factor also x plus 2. So how will we do? Look at this thing. First question, B part. I is equals to integration of 3x plus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square x plus 2 dx. Let us suppose this is the equation number 1. Now 3x plus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square x plus 2 is equals to, this one we have the part 2. So a upon x minus 2 plus b upon, what is this, x minus 2 whole square. Now we have another linear factor without repeating factor. So for that we will take C, x plus 2. Now 3x plus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square x plus 2, and what is this, take the LCM, x minus 2 whole square, what is this, x plus 2. It means a into, we are having x plus 2 x minus 2 plus b into, we have x plus 2 and plus c, what is we have, x minus 2 whole square. It means 3x plus 1 is equals to a into x plus 2 x minus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 2 whole square. Now first of all, if x minus 2 is equals to 0, it means x is equals to 2. Substitute here. It means this becomes 6 plus 1. X minus 2 0. This 0. This 0. It means b into, what is this, 2 plus 2 4. It means b is equals to 7 upon 4. This is the part for b. Now if x minus 2 is equals to 0, it means x is equals to 2. Now because we are already taken x plus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 2. It means minus 6 plus 1. This is 0. This is 0. It means c into, what is this, minus 2 whole square. It means this become minus 5 upon 16, and this is c. Now we have to compare the coefficients. Suppose we are taking the, comparing the coefficient of x. Comparing the coefficient of x. Here we have 3. Here it will come x square minus 4. There is no chance. Here we have, what is this? We have b also. Now look at this thing. If we will compare the coefficient of x only, then we are not getting here a. So we have to leave this idea because there should be a also. So we have to consider on the only constant term. Now constant terms, in left hand side we have 1. Here it will come x square minus 4. It means this is minus 4a. Now here we have plus 2b. Now here if you will open the identity, what is this, x square plus 4 minus 4x. It means this is plus 4c. It means 4a is equals to, what is this, 2b plus 4c minus 1. It means 4a is equals to, what is b? B is 7 upon 4. It means what this become, 14 upon 4. And this is minus 5 by 4 because 4 this one, and this is minus 1. 4a is equals to, what is the LCM, 4. It means 14 minus 5. What is this, 11. Now 14 minus 5, this is 9, and this is minus 1 minus 4. It means what this become, a is equals to 5 by 16. Now this is the 5 by 16. We are getting all the terms. Therefore from equation 1 we are getting this part, I is equals to integration of, substitute the values, 5 upon 16 x minus 2 plus, what is b, 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4, I can write this one, x minus 2 raised to power minus 2, and then plus c. What is c? C is minus 5 by 16, and this is x plus 2 and dx. Now we, after integration, we are going to get, what is this, I is equals to 5 by 16 log x minus 2, and this is, what is this, minus 2 plus 1. It means what is this, minus 1. It means minus 7 by 4. What is this, x minus 2 minus 5 by 16 log x plus 2, and this is plus c. So this is the way to solve this type of questions. Do the practice for other questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.